scenario. As you are aware that last 3 months, due to the COVID-19, everyone is at their home. And if you look at the scenario, we were not experienced such a pandemic situation in our like throughout the lifespan, and this is the first time. And uh, I remember that in a month of February or in a month of Jan, we were just listening that the COVID-19 outbreak in Wuhan in China, and just had a chat with friends, colleagues about the virus, and we were not even predict that this uh, COVID-19 will spread
Exactly.
worldwide and have such a impact that this is a pandemic, and everyone is scared about it, that how long it will be in India, what would be as far as the country is concerned, and specifically in education. So the anxiety with along with us as a fraternity of education, and even there are so many questions are coming from the students. What will happen in coming days? The last year students specifically, their examination, whether the examination will happen or will not be, what would be the further education. So there are so many questions are in the students mind, and I think this is the right time to have a talk with Dr. Vaidhi ma'am. Just I listen her credentials, and we are very fortunate today that we have a psychologist, a renowned psychologist, Dr. Vaidhi Janjale madam. So on behalf of Dr. D.Y. Patil Center for Management and Research, Chikli, as well as the Dr. D.Y. Patil Shikshan Sanstha, and the institutions, junior college and senior college, I personally welcome you, madam. Also, I welcome all the students who are participated from MBA college as well as junior and senior college. So definitely your session will help us to take away some good things, which will definitely help us to tackle the situation. So once again, I welcome you and I request you to take a session. Thank you.
Sir, thanks a lot.
Ma'am, should I share your PPT or you are sharing from your end?
We can start with people.
Shall I share your PPT then?
Yes, yes, yes. First slide, then second slide.
1 second, ma'am.
Yeah.
I request all the participants, all students, please mute your videos and even sound also, so that you will have a good the visibility and you will enjoy the session. Thank you.
Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes.
madam. Yes.
Okay.
Everyone can see this?
Yeah, yeah. Everyone is seeing your PPT screen first.
Okay. So we will shift to second now. Hello, everyone. Hope I can see all the good faces, smiling faces.
Yeah.
Chalo. Now we will start with today's session, that is state of mind. How state of mind works, why state of mind is important, how state of mind play a vital role in our life, how a student can perceive whatever they want to do in their life, a good result, a good job, how a salesperson can give a good 100% of his in his job. So in every aspect of life, since morning to night, our state of mind plays a vital role in our life. We are watching this NLP. What is NLP? Can anybody? They can type or they can unmute themselves and say if anybody is aware about this concept. How this is important in our life? Anybody? Hello.
Madam, we asked them to unmute their this thing.
They can unmute. Those who knows, they can unmute and they can say. Hello, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can anybody explain if they have any idea about this?
No.
I will explain. Neuro-linguistic program. What it is? Neuro is connected with our brain, our thoughts. The thing we thought, it becomes our language. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि मुझे ये नहीं आता, स्पेसिफिक चीज मुझे नहीं आती, so it becomes our language. Continuously we thought that कि मुझे ये नहीं हो रहा है, मुझसे ये नहीं हो रहा है, and unconsciously our body get programmed like this. A single neuron, a hormone secretes from our body and our body get programs like this. अगर हम बोले कि मेरा ये हाथ 15 days अगर हमने continuously बोला कि my hand is not working, my hand is not working, 16th day you will get कि आपका हाथ काम नहीं कर रहा है. इतनी पावर हमारे ब्रेन में होती है. Yes. Can we have next slide? Yes. How this is important. Wake up. Visual, auditory. These are our 5 senses. By these 5 senses, our brain receive information, and how it perceive and how it works, I will explain you here. Is this board visible to everyone?
No clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes.
how to create a good state of mind, how to be in our high performance state, why it is so important, and why we should be in always a resourceful state. It is very important. अभी एक स्टेट ऑफ माइंड का एक गुड एग्जांपल मैं आपको देती हूँ. एवरीवन नोज शिवाजी महाराज.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Everyone knows. And everyone knows Sushant Singh Rajput also.
Yes, ma'am.
Recent
ma'am.
incidents.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
don't know. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody tell me what is the difference between the state of mind of Shivaji Maharaj and Sushant Singh Rajput?
Yes, I can tell.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Shivaji Maharaj had a very positive way that he will definitely win, not today but tomorrow. But in other case for Sushant Singh Rajput, he was already depressed and he has taken a step which he shouldn't have taken. So he has all the things he has taken it in a negative way.
So in example, what is important in both the state, your state of mind?
Mind.
What is the meaning of state of mind in Hindi or in Marathi?
Mm.
I want active students.
State of mind. मैम मीन्स कि स्टेट ऑफ माइंड कि आप ये टाइम पे अपने माइंड में मतलब नहीं है क्या चल रहा है, मतलब एग्जैक्ट वर्ड तो नहीं है बट
विचार क्षमता.
विचार क्षमता.
That is मनोदशा. मानसिक.
एकामध्ये किती सर होतात? 1 की 2?
ओके.
एकात का? 3.
Hello.
Yes.
विचार क्षमता.
मनोदशा. So through all these senses,
ऑनलाइन पेमेंट आहे.
can we unmute? This is the senses: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, olfactory, and gustatory. Visual means what we see. Auditory means what we hear. Kinesthetic means what we feel. Olfactory means smell, and gustatory means through these senses our brain gets information and retain that information and perceive. Okay, यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In your life,
Yes, ma'am.
अभी like for example, you all are attending webinar. Your senses आप मुझे देख पा रहे हो, आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो, and whatever I am telling you can feel that. So first three are very important in our life. VAK, visual, auditory and kinesthetic. Why it is so important that I will tell you. But यहाँ तक है कि इंफॉर्मेशन हम कहाँ से कलेक्ट करते हैं? आप देखते हो, सुनते हो एंड फील करते हो. आपने कुछ सुना, आपने देखा, and you feel. Now, you can chat, you can type. In this webinar, which two senses you are using?
Eyes and ears.
Eyes and
mouth, and ear.
correct. So whatever I am telling you, I am showing you, you are watching and you are listening. After this, you will start feeling it. Yes. Now, through all these senses, information, my drawing is visible, this portion. Everyone? Ma'am, next slide, please. Yeah. My hand is visible, everyone? Yeah. Now, through all this, information goes to our brain. And the working of our brain, there is one filter. And there, यहाँ से हमारा feeling start होता है. हमारा state of mind कैसे build होता है? Started from here. Please listen carefully. This is the very important part जो आपको lifetime काम में आने वाला है. Not only this student phase, whenever you will want to do a job in your life, everywhere this is very important. This senses, when information collect, it goes to our brain. और हमारा brain किस type से काम करता है? How our brain functions? These are the filters. Delete, distort and generalize. Can anybody tell what it is? कोई भी?
What was the question, ma'am? I can't hear it properly.
What is delete, distort and generalize? This is the function of our brain. But can anybody tell what is distortion, what is deletion, what is generalization? Yes.
Madam, picture is not clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Your voice is breaking.
Voice. Now it is clear.
And the video is lagging.
Now it is clear. Your voice is clear, ma'am. You can carry on.
Okay. This board is visible, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So we will proceed. Now, distortion and generalization. In this three concept, our brain works. अभी आप कहीं बाहर जाते हो by your vehicle, so many faces. आपको सारी चीजें याद रहती है?
No.
Never. अगर आपका कोई पहचान का है और कुछ गाड़ी डिफरेंट है तो आप दैट इज डिलीशन. हमारा ब्रेन कुछ चीजें अपने आप डिलीट करते जाता है. अभी नाउ माय एज इज 38, तो बचपन से लेके अभी तक के सारे इंसिडेंसेस याद रहेंगे?
No.
और ब्रेन डिलीट. अगर आपको परसों आपने क्या खाना खाया तो बहुत रिकॉल करना पड़ेगा और फिर आपको याद आएगा, राइट? Same with distort. What is distort? What is distort? Distort means the way our brain want to gain that thing. एक incidence होता है, हर कोई अलग उसका perception लेता है. If now we can take the example of this pandemic. Many people will say, "Wow, I am at home." Some will say, "Baap re, oof, I am in the lockdown." Some will say, "Wow, this is the opportunity to learn many things." तो हर एक person ने इस इंसिडेंस अपने अपने दिमाग से डिस्टॉर्ट कर लिया है, अपने अपने जैसे चाहिए वैसे उसको ले लिया है. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्टॉर्शन. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Generalization. Our brain generalize the things. Now, how? Any example of generalized statement? Can anyone? पुलिस करप्ट होते हैं. Is this a generalized statement?
This pandemic is because of China.
China. No, this is not a generalized statement. This is a real statement. Generalized statement. पुलिस वाले करप्ट होते हैं, वाइफ्स तो हमेशा झगड़ा करती है.
All Pakistan are Pakistani armed force. They try to be literate with India. They fight with India without no reason.
That's true.
I don't think so. It's a generalized statement. It's a real statement.
So yeah, if I may say something. Hi everyone. Generalizing is more or less to give a blanket approach to anything.
Exactly.
One person does something and the whole of the community or the particular group is blamed for that reason. So that is generalization. One of the best examples is commonly here in India, it is a common stigma that people say everybody from South India have darker skin, which is not the case. That is generalizing in my opinion.
So generalize करते हैं. Police are corrupt. Is it true all police officers are corrupt?
No.
Women like shopping. Is it true that every woman likes
Yes.
shopping?
No.
Yes. I don't like so much shopping. So this is a generalized statement. हमारा brain इन 3 filters पे काम करता है. Deletion, distortion and generalization. So event 1, gain the information through our senses, set the filters, and then we went to event 2. अगर कोई इवेंट आपके लाइफ में हो चुका है, हो रहा है, our brain set the filters and then event 2, उसके बाद आपका एक थॉट क्रिएट हो जाता है. इवेंट हो गया, पेंडेमिक आ गया, आप लॉकडाउन में हो, दिस इज द इवेंट 1. इवेंट 2 आपके थॉट्स क्रिएट हो जाते हैं, योर परसेप्शन, and that is your state of mind. So basically the cognitive process is called your state of mind. कोरोना आ गया, पेंडेमिक आ गया, लॉकडाउन, हमने वो सुना, बार बार फील किया, and we got a perception about that. And what are all that perception? What is our thought of pandemic? There are so many thoughts. दिन भर हम न्यूज सुनते हैं, we read the news and our thought process works, right? And that is not state of mind. अब ये state of mind 2 types के होते हैं. One is positive. Ma'am, next slide. Ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ मैम, next slide.
You want next slide, right?
Yes, yes. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? You can unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any doubt कि
Yes,
हमारा
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
अगर आपके घर में कोई इंसिडेंस होता है, लाइक फाइट विथ योर फादर, आप आपके पापा को बोल रहे हो आप मुझे गाड़ी चाहिए, राइट? दिस ऑल आर द इंसिडेंसेस इन योर लाइफ.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Ma'am, actually, we are not so much daring to fight with our father.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. पैट योरसेल्फ. जब भी आप कोई अच्छी बात करते हो, जस्ट पैट योरसेल्फ. इट विल इंक्रीज योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिविटी. चलो, नाउ यहाँ तक इंसिडेंसेस आ गए. देन ये द स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, आवर एक्चुअल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, वेयर हाउ वी वर्क. अगर मैं सुबह उठूं और मैं if I create a thought that I am not feeling good, so what will that will be my state of mind. और दिन भर I will be in that कि मुझे आज अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, and it is related with my brain, with my mind.
Mind.
So there are two states of mind, positive and negative. I will give a good example for आप जंगल में जा रहे हो and suddenly a lion come. What two situations will be there?
Do or die.
Fight mode and flight mode, right? Either you will fight, either you will fly.
Die.
Otherwise, third option you have. Correct? So this is your positive state of mind. जब आप positive state में रहते हो, क्या होता है? हमारे body में एक chemical which give you resourceful things. आप उस वक्त resourceful रहते हो, आपको सोचना है कि क्या करना है, what to do, not. When you are in a negative state of mind, you are very unresourceful. आप just सोचो कि आप बहुत negative में हो, how your physiology works, how your thought process works. Can anybody have any example for this in their own life, from their own life? Anyone can share their experience if want. Anyone from 70? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. What was the question actually?
Whenever आपकी लाइफ में अभी तक ऐसा मोमेंट जब आप बहुत नेगेटिव फील कर रहे थे?
I have an example for this.
That's what I want.
So because of this pandemic, I thought that I will lose my job, and after that it will be the whole thing was very negative for me. So I was not able to think good about this pandemic. I was only getting negative vibes because of this. I had a thinking that if I will lose the job, then there might be some things which will go wrong, which I can't build it again. But after that, when I started work from home, and I'm still working at this time, so I have all the positive things going on. That if this pandemic will go for even for more 3-4 months, I will have my job and I will have a way to survival.
Okay, what is your name? Bhavani Singh, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Bhavani Singh, what was your physiology when you think negative? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am, I can tell you. The only thing is that the first thing which comes in our mind is depression.
No, I'm asking about your physiology, not psychology. Physiology कैसे थी? आपको?
Yes, ma'am. Physiology, ma'am. Physically, I was not able to coordinate with my brain. And the second thing is that I was not able to think that way how I used to. When I really have a positive feel. And third thing is I was very disturbed because of this. I was not able to give 100% to my family as well.
Good. So when you are in a negative state of mind, you are unresourceful, unresolved, and when you are in a positive state of mind, your physiology is like, wow, you are resourceful at that time. You are resolved. आपको समझ में आता है कि क्या what to do, what to
right.
do. Not. Now, ये both this state of mind में we took actions. हम actions तो लेते हैं. It can be verbal, it can be non-verbal. लेते हैं ना. हम बात करते हैं, हम कुछ काम करते हैं. Took some actions. What will be the result in both this state of mind? अगर पॉजिटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में हमने हम कुछ बोल भी देते हैं किसी को, you are positive and you are very happy, so our tonality is very happy, our speech is very nice. When you are in a negative state of mind, how your tonality will be? Irritation, chid, gussa, anger, isn't it?
Yes. Dull.
Frustration, depression, fear, everything which is unwanted things happen with us when we are in a negative state of mind. Vice versa, in a positive state of mind, you are very happy, you are resolved. Again, you gain confidence, you can concentrate on your things, whatever you want to do. You are so happy, isn't it?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
यहाँ तक समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What will be the result when you are in a positive state of mind, and what will be the result when you are in a negative state of mind? Abhi Bhavani Singh means second one can answer. Anyone can answer? Anyone? Hello.
Ma'am, what was the question?
Actually, you took action in both the state of mind, in positive and in negative also. So what will be the result of the situation? When you took
May I
action,
try?
Ma'am, can I?
yes, yes,
May I?
yes, yes, anyone. I want active participants. That's why I ask the questions.
If we are in positive state of mind, we can spread positive attitude and we can make a positive environment around us. And if we're in negative, then there is no enjoyment. There is only depression,
Let me ask very
like that.
simply. If you
Ma'am,
took,
can I?
yes, yes. Just listen my question first.
Yeah.
If you are in a state of mind positive, what will be the result of that act? If you are in a negative state, what will be the result of that?
Okay. So if we are in a positive state of mind, then we will try to work more hard, more efficiently, and all the positive energy it will praise us so that we can give our 100%. And because of that, our work we will definitely work hard. We will give our 100%, and because of that, good things will come out. And seeing us in a positive, the way we are working, so our work colleagues, even they will get some positive vibes from us, and even they will be more than happy to work with us. So it will be a very happy environment in the office. And
Exactly.
the negative way is we will not try to focus on the work. We will not focus. We will not give our 100%. We will not work hard, and because of this, our colleagues will even they will get some negative energy from us, that if this guy is not able to do this, then why should we do? So all of them, they will not take this in that way, but it will be a negative environment in the office.
So unwanted environment.
Right.
So everybody got this, how our brain perceive the information,
Yes, ma'am.
how we say our brain set the filters, and how what happens and how our state of mind can build. It is clear till now in a psychological concept.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, please next slide.
Yes.
This is a MAC technique. This is the technique where you can actually work with your. अगर आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हैं, I will give you an example. If you are going for an interview, आपको क्या होता है? क्वेश्चन मार्क होगा कि नहीं, मुझसे होगा कि नहीं, क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा या कर पाऊंगी? Will my interview will go good or bad? Okay? So this is the technique. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखो, या तो you can write down this. This is the mind alter and mind your thought, mind your state कि आप कौन से state of mind में हो. You are going for the interview. Just mind what is your state of mind. आप घबराते हो, थोड़ा सा irritation होता है. Then how to alter it? And alter your state. Shift that from that state to positive state, and then create a new choice. अगर मुझे negative state of mind नहीं चाहिए, तो what will be my second option? It should be a positive, confident, and concentrate state of mind for facing the interview. So everybody got this technique? This is the psychological technique which really works on our body and our brain. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, next time. Okay. Can anybody read this?
Ma'am, I can.
Please. Why all
Uh,
the thing is very much active?
All right, I'll pick it up from here. So yeah, I can read this out.
Yes, please.
So yeah, it says step 1, pick
Yeah.
the context,
Can we do this?
personal.
Can we do? Can we do
Uh,
this?
you
Chalo,
want me to continue with
close your eyes and then this who is reading that he will read.
Okay. Yeah. Everybody follow me. Just close your eyes and I'm going to read something out for you. Okay. Step 1, pick context, personal and professional.
Okay, before that I will explain this, then Akib will read. Okay.
No problem.
Yeah, this is the technique to acquire a desired goal. How to set a goal and how to be in that. This is the technique. ये technique आप screenshot लेके या photo लेके रखो. You have to do it. You can do it many times in personal professional life. Okay. So just close your eyes
Okay, ma'am.
and just close your eyes and do it. Akib,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Now,
Read it
step 1,
slowly.
pick context, personal and professional.
Any context. जो भी आपको करना है लाइफ में.
Once that is done, if you pick professional, what you want to be 10 years from now, how do you look there?
Step by step. अगर if you have taken the chosen the context, see yourself कि आपको आगे क्या करना है.
What sounds you hear? What feelings you have? Step 3, be descriptive. Avoid words like I am happy, I am clear. Your brain understands clear descriptions easier.
Easier. Yeah. Now I will stop. Okay. I will
Yeah.
explain. In that situation, आपको खुद को कहाँ पे देख रहे हो? Just see how you're what sound you can. Like मुझे this year Dubai जाके trainings लेना है, so I will see myself on a big stage, everyone flawlessly, effortlessly, and confidently, right? Then I will listen the voice of all the audience. Everyone is praising me. That will be my desired state, my desired context. Everyone understood what exactly it is?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is it useful for you in your life?
Yeah.
In your personal life also, you can attract whatever you want to achieve. In your personal life also, if you have any conflicts with anybody, any person, any grudges for any person, so you can take that context, see, hear, listen, and change. Write down your vision as I am. Okay? Understood this technique? These two techniques I told you, MAC technique and this is the goal setting techniques. दोनों समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
And believe me, children, this is very, very useful technique in your life. It is really, really plays a vital role when you do this. See how your physiology change, how your confidence will change. Okay, ma'am, can we have next slide? गोल्डन रूल ऑफ हैबिट, ये सबको बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है ना, isn't it?
Yes.
Build any habit.
Yes.
If we think कि
Yes.
मैं जैसे जॉगिंग करने वाली हूँ, क्या होता है? What happens? जब practically when we try to do this, we set the alarm and सुबह वो alarm बजता है, बजते रहता है, right? It happens.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the golden rule of habit. You can click the picture. What is our habit built in this three: cue, action, and reward. For example, आपको Facebook, everyone is using Facebook
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
or WhatsApp. We can
No.
say any social media.
No.
आपको एक notification आता है, रिंग बजती है. That is cue कि एक मैसेज मुझे आया है, right? Then you took the action. You took the phone. आपको ऊपर दिखता है कि your friend mentioned you in a comment. That is your action. What action you took? You just open the Facebook and see the comment. और आपका friend आपको comment करता है, you are looking awesome in this picture. This is your reward. It happens with everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what happens after that? This is the golden rule. इसमें नहीं दिया है, so I will tell you on the board. This is the golden rule of 5 seconds. This is the golden rule of 5 seconds. It is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's the golden rule of 5 seconds. It gives a kick to your brain. It gives a kick to your brain. How your brain works. जब आपको क्यों मिलता है कि yes, I have to do some action, मुझे कुछ करना है लाइफ में, मुझे आगे बढ़ना है लाइफ में, मुझे जॉब चाहिए लाइफ में. So it is the cue. It is the cue कि हमें कुछ करना है. And then what happened? We took the action. और वो एक्शन पे आपका स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, जब भी आप कोई एक्शन लेना चाहते हो, योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड प्लेज अ वाइटल रोल, आपको वेरी पॉजिटिवली. सो हियर दिस 5 सेकंड रूल विल वेरी मच हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. इफ यू काउंट 5 4 3 2 1, if you want to change your actions toward positivity, you can count with your brain 5 4 3 2 1. Then that kick, that chemical reaction will happen in your brain and it will give you a positive action कि नहीं, after counting 5 4 3 2 1 I have to do some action. यानी अगर अलार्म बजता भी है तो भी अगर मैं I will get up after counting 5 4 3 2 1, so my brain knows कि ये 5 4 3 2 1 के बाद मुझे I have to get up, I have to get up and I have to dress up and I have to go for a walk. समझ में आया?
Yes.
And what is,
Yes, ma'am.
जब आप घूमने जाओगे, जब आप वॉक पे जाओगे, जब आप जिम जाओगे, तो you will get reward. What reward you will go get? You will feel good. You will feel good कि मैंने आज कर दिखाया, मैंने complete किया, my goal I have completed. So what will happen in your state of mind that time?
We can do anything.
We will be satisfied after the work has been done.
Yes, you will get satisfaction, you will feel good, you will feel positive, you will feel confident also. Kick. Everyone. Just 5 second rule आपके दिमाग में सेट करना. I have to do this action. Just count it. आपका ब्रेन हैबिचुअल होते जाएगा with this kick. जब भी आप 5 4 3 2 1 बोलोगे, the brain will give you a kick कि मुझे ये एक्शन लेनी है. So लेथार्जी, मैं नहीं कर सकता, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, ये आप सब भूल जाओगे. समझ में आया यहाँ तक?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
definitely.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, can we have next slide? Can anybody read this?
Ma'am, I can.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hmm?
Fear has two meaning: forget
everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours.
What choice will be yours, Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot hear you properly, please.
What will be your choice between two? Forget everything and run, or face everything and rise?
Ma'am, the choice from my side would be the second one. Face everything and rise.
Exactly. Here again, what matters? Your state of mind. How
Mine.
is your
Yes.
state of mind and perceive? Okay. Can we have next, ma'am? Can anybody?
You can't always control what happens, but you can always control how you deal with it.
Okay. Can you explain, please?
Yes,
Go ahead.
like we can't control each and everything which is going on in this world, or which is going on in our surroundings, in our neighborhood. So yeah, but what we can do is we can just give our best, and we can deal with it by having a positive attitude towards it, by mm, by having a lot of different ideas. If we fail for the first one, then we can deal with it in the second way. Like we should always have different options, plan A, B, and C. But it totally depends upon us, like how we will deal with the problem.
So tell me one thing. कि ये दोनों thoughts में what is so much important? What is important? What plays important role in both these thoughts?
The first thing is that like how our brain really manages to deal with it through the
One word.
positive way.
One word. I want one
Mind
word.
state.
The thoughts.
We should have positive state of mind.
Exactly. State of mind. What plays everywhere? What plays your state of?
State of mind.
Fine.
Mind.
Exactly. So next slide, ma'am. One more is before that. No. Vision board is there. No. One more slide is there. For vision board, ma'am.
Oh, it is this only, ma'am. See, this is only next. Yeah, this is the last slide.
इसके पहले
इसके पहले वही था जो अभी इसके पहले ये है मैम.
Okay, can we have habit of rules?
Sorry.
Golden habit of can we scroll down? Vision board.
Life-changing vision board.
This one. This is the life-changing vision board. Everyone, please just jot it down or take a photograph. If you want to set a vision in it for your life, these are the 4 things. My items. Second one is achievements. Third vision. Fourth one is resources. You can write it down, or you can. Is it visible? My board is visible for everyone. It is very important.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
changed my life. This board literally changed my life, you know. I'm an electrical engineer. That my visions, what I want to do in my life, and I achieved everything. I did not believe. I achieved fame, money, everything with this resource. So everyone want to do it?
Yes.
Yes.
So take a chart paper, a big chart paper, make 4 columns. First one is my role models. What all are your role? You can write the name. It can be one, two, like my role model is BK Shivani. So what qualities BK Shivani is having, I will write her name. You can write it down so that after that you will not forget. If you want to really make it, write the name of BK Shivani and I will write her qualities. Second one, I will write the name and qualities. Third one, write the name and qualities, whatever. It can be for, it can be for yourself. Understood? Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Second column will be your achievements. What all achievements you having till now? All your degree, all your good family, love of your family, your friends. These all are your achievements. Good relationship with your friends, your family, your parents, your degrees. Everything is your achievements till now. Isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Now come to the vision. For 2 years, next 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years. Next, we have to open my own counseling. Now it is rented. I want next. Can you hear me?
Vaishnavi, can I ask you to please put your phone on mute? There's a lot
What?
of there's a lot of disturbance. Can you place your handset on mute?
It is very much important. I am telling you. Nobody will tell this. Yes.
Thank you.
So next 5 years, I want to open my own something, whatever. It is my dream. Next 10 years, there are some visions. So what you have to write? I have achieved, not present tense, not future tense. Present tense में आपको लिखना है, I have achieved this within 2 years. Next. Got it? समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. आपको 2 साल next 2 years में आपके लाइफ में आपको क्या अचीव करना है? Like I want to open my own counseling center in a big way. It is now, अभी है, but मुझे और बड़ा उसे open करना है. So I will write, I have opened my own counseling center, my own. It is now rented. So I want to open my own. My office is on rent. मुझे बहुत बड़ा office लेना है. So what I will write, I have opened my own counseling center. Within next 5 years, मुझे क्या चाहिए? Write down. Next 10 years, आपको क्या चाहिए? Write down. अभी समझ में आया वैष्णवी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now come to the resources. What all resources you will need to complete this? And resources are within us. What I will require for to complete all this vision of my life? I need positivity. I need positive attitude. I need concentration, consistency, hard work. These are the resources, yes or no?
Willing power.
Huh? Sorry?
Willing power.
Willpower.
Yes, willpower, whatever. Resources are within you. So you will write that resources. Positivity, concentration, consistency. Consistency is very much important for everything. Consistency means, what is the meaning of consistency?
To be constant on what we are thinking.
Continue. Yes. So I will need positive attitude. I will need hard work. I will need consistency. I will need
Financial
strong
support.
will. Yeah, everything will come within this.
Struggle.
All the resources. Struggle need. Be consistent and put hard work. Why to struggle? If you are giving command to your brain that you have to struggle, then you will attract that struggle only. That are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, and I don't think so that every goal means every goal needs the financial support.
Exactly. So final confidence will also come, also rise. Automatically it happens if you think in that way. That is the big concept of achieving your goal. If अगर सोचो मैंने अगर सोचा होगा कि मैं कर पाऊंगी कि हो पाएगा कि नहीं मेरे से, तो that question mark मुझे पूछने के लिए मिलता है. But if I said yes, I can do it, just do it and see the result. No nothing state में जाके सोचना है कि yes I can do it, then you can do it. If you say क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी या कर पाऊंगा, if you put the question mark, then your brain also get the question mark, so you will not attract that things. एक story आपको मैं बताती हूँ. Everyone want to listen the story? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
एक साधु था, there was a sage, और एक छोटा बच्चा उसके साथ आजू बाजू खेल रहा था. That boy thought कि चलो इनके साथ मैं एक trick play करता हूँ. And he picked the bird and he hide that bird behind him. And he asked that sadhu, मेरे हाथ में जो है, is it alive or is it dead? अब साधु तो साधु थे, पता था कि अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि dead है तो he will do something different, and if I say alive तो he will kill that bird. So साधु जी ने एक simple answer दिया, my dear child, whatever you want or what answer you want, that is in your hand. Are you getting the moral?
Yes.
What you want, that is in your hand. There is always a solution for everything and that is in your hand. जो भी आप चाहते हो to achieve in your life, that is only and only in your hand. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes.
It is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it. Did you got me? What
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
to have a good mind होना नहीं, how you are working, that is important. Your intelligence is important. Everything is important. Just a matter of your
Yes.
do you have sense, you can ask me. Just first one concept, that MAC technique, goal setting, that goal, and this vision board. These four things will change your life. Whatever you want in your life, you can achieve, 100% achieve. There is no question mark at all. So, do you have any questions? You can ask me. Anyone, any question, they can unmute themselves and they can ask.
Can we ask you a question just regarding the thing you just explained, or can we ask you a question to my psychological state of mind right now? I mean, I
Ma'am,
was
can we
very
have last slide?
yeah. See, I was very keen to attend this session because I've been having an issue. All right. Now, things are difficult outside. Okay, to see a psychiatrist at this moment in time is difficult, and it could be risk as well. So I've been having issues while reading and writing a few things. For example, you spell your word, you spell your name as Vaidhie. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I've been spelling out second letter first. So I'll spell your name as Avidhi.
Okay. And since how you
Yeah.
are doing your support?
I don't know. I mean, it's been a year or year and a half. I guess it's more of an office stress I'm having lately, or maybe the kind of shifts I work in. I work in a graveyard shift, which is Australian shifts.
That's it.
Starts at 2:30 a.m. in the
Mhm.
night. Yeah.
What is your age?
Uh, I am reaching 30. Almost. Yeah.
You just
I'm
told
married.
me the dyslexic position of your brain. So maybe because of stress, your brain gets tired. Getting
I thought so. Yes, I thought so. I have read it
good
online.
technique to know from
Uh,
this, I will tell you.
no problem. Okay. All right. I'll get in touch with you and see how it really works out. Let's see. Let's see how
Yeah,
it works.
anytime,
Yeah.
anytime.
Yeah. Thank you.
Next.
Sir, I have a solution for your problem. I think so.
Okay. Good.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am.
No. Please share your technique, the solution with us.
Yeah, so I was going to tell that if you are having some problem in reading the first letter to the second and the second one as first, then you can make a list of vegetables or anything such like that. Means it should be a list, and you have to learn the first letter of it and
Okay.
make a meaningful word. Okay, make a meaningful word and try to learn it, and after some 2 3 days, don't see the list at all, and make a test that if you are able to learn that and if you are memorable uh, the list. Okay, if you are
Okay.
remembering the list, whatever you have made in that,
Okay.
so
That
I
kind of
think it can improve.
makes sense. Yeah. That is worth a try. Thank you so much for this suggestion. I would really want to try this out. Thank you.
Okay, good thing. Who was that?
Ma'am, myself Karan Mishra.
Karan Mishra. Good technique it is, but he needs psychometric help more. Okay, this is the
Yeah.
I'll
brain.
get in touch with you. Yeah.
Okay, so any questions?
Yeah. Shall we wrap up the session, ma'am, then?
Yeah, if they don't have any questions, they
Yeah,
can.
I don't think so, yeah. So, ma'am, I think this session today was indeed a need of time. And students and all of us here have really received good points here and positive takeaways. And I believe that all of us here will be in a positive state of mind. And those who are not will be able to change it positively. And thank you so much for sparing your time for this session. It was indeed a great session, and we would like to have more such sessions of yours in future. And I would also like to thank Abhay Kotkar sir, the president of the Sanstha, for giving us the opportunity to conduct this session, which was really very important and very much needed. Director of the institute, Dr. Sunil Dhanavade sir, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff, and of course my dear students for attending this session and patiently and participating, being interactive. It was really good, and thank you so much. And tomorrow also we are having one more webinar. It's a resource person is from London, UK, and she'll be speaking about career opportunities, right? So hope to see you all tomorrow at the same time. Have a good day. See you all tomorrow. Thank you once
Thank you,
again.
ma'am.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, sir.